Hi guys, this is your creator and welcome to our another video. In this video we will go through step by step how to create categories in newspaper theme. Yes guys, and I will show you step by step how to set categories in the main menu in the front homepage of the theme. These are categories like trending now, social media optimization, e-commerce, download. These are categories. So we will go through step by step from the starting. To create category, first of all we will go to the post in our WordPress dashboard. Go to post and click on categories. Once we click on categories, then first of all we have to choose the niche. What niche you choose in blogging, what type of business you have, what type of categories you deal with. I am going to get example of digital marketing. Digital marketing, your blog, maybe food blog, traveling blog, any other related niche. And let's go to example with digital marketing. In digital marketing we have a lot of options like social media, Instagram, Facebook, every option we have. So we need to create the category step by step. Okay, so you will see the option here, add new category. If you have new dashboard newspaper, just download that. If you did not import the demo, let me show you what I mean. That newspaper, when we go to newspaper we install these demos. If we click on this option, include content, if we will include content, this will create some categories automatic, and later on we need to delete those, so we will able to create our own categories. Okay, if you did not click or you have no categories, exit on your categories, then we will create from the starting, from fresh. Okay, let me start with Facebook. Let's create a Facebook category which is related to digital marketing, and in future we will add Facebook related tips, tricks, and we need a category under name Facebook. Let's type Facebook in the name. In new category name, first of all you have to enter the name of the category you want to make. I want to make category name Facebook. Okay, let's slug is let me show you what is slug is when we go to any categories, you will see in the address bar your slug will be look like something. This Facebook, it will be your slug, means your path to visit that category, that called slug. Okay, let me small letter, let me enter same Facebook here as well. Description, how you will get the description, this is more important in SEO guys. So description you can get idea from the Google. For example, we are creating category about Facebook. Go to Google, just when you search here, just to search Facebook tips, either you can choose the name Facebook tips or Facebook tips and tricks. That's depend on you guys, what type of niche and what type of category you want to keep in your blog. Okay, so once you search in Facebook tips, you will see a lot of post here, related to the Facebook. Okay, but I will recommend you have to write your own description, minimum 160 character. You can open your Word document to, if you want to create your own description, that will be more good. I search here on Google, that's just for idea. It will give you idea what type of description we need to add. Example, Facebook tips, it will show you some results here. This is the description guys. You see in every post has description. It's almost 160 character, right? So these all they have set in their categories, so that's why it's shown here. Someone visit your website and they will search Facebook and your website name, They will also see your description when you enter your description here. This area, this should be 160 character. Okay, not more than 160 character, because if you enter a lot words, that might be not indexed very well in Facebook. So let me pick some idea about Facebook tips, and you can find out. Let's start create with our own example. Our website name is, make sure you add your website name, that will help you in ranking. Easy ideas. So easy ideas, let me go back, let me here, yeah, this one, we just create Facebook. And we will first add our website blog name. This is my blog name, Jungle Speed Post. I will go to Word document, Jungle Speed Blog. Has a lot of categories related to digital marketing, and you will able to find some great social media Facebook tips. We just include the name, the category name here, Facebook tips, right? Make sure you in the description you mention the category name. Make sure. So great social media Facebook tips and tricks. Okay, this is just an example. If you want to create your own, just copy it. I will recommend you go to this tool, Quillboard Premium. You can use free as well, that will be standard, and just enter that. We just write, it will rewrite with professional way. Okay, let me show you what I mean that. For example, in our grammar there is some problem, or we need to fix that. Just write your description anywhere in the Word document, paraphrase it. It will autocorrect everything. Make sure if your grammar is good and that you think you are writing the correct and the right description for your category, that will be more great, that will be more good. Let me refresh it, click paraphrase. I click on paraphrase. It will rewrite your all text here with correct grammar. So we will wait until it will process, or you can use other Grammarly. Grammarly is also great tool. You can get Grammarly. It will also correct your grammar automatic when you write your Word document anywhere, or you can add Grammarly extension in your Chrome. That will be also good. It will autocorrect all your words. So we have just write our description, paraphrase here, rewrite. You can see it's more look professional. We copy it, we go back to our website, we enter that, paste it here in description, and click on add new category. So our Facebook category already created, you can see here. Okay, so now our next category, like Instagram, that belong to social media as well, or social media tips, that can be anything, guys. Just you need to enter the category name first. And example, let me show you social media tips. Our slug should be very similar. Just copy and paste our slug here. Copy the name and paste in slug. That's okay. Parent category means your social media tips or the category belong to which one. Here parent category means niche, belong to which digital marketing. You can select here. I will later let you know. That calls subcategory, that also called Example, under Facebook there is a subcategory, right? That can be Facebook business, Facebook videos, Facebook marketplace. That will all call parent categories. You can create as well. So if you are first time creating, just select none, and again write a description, social media tips. Write description for this category, social media tips. Again you copy the name, go to Google, paste social media tips here. It will give you description idea here down, like this. These all are description ideas. Just make small changes in Codebot. I just show you here, or you write your own description up to 160 character. How you will know up to 160 character? Just copy, first write your description, go to word count, make sure in the word count your description not more than 160. See, it's only 122 characters. That's not more than 160. I recommend 155, 150. That's okay. Okay, so just copy it. Once you see everything character are great and not more than 160, just go back to your category and paste your category here, this in the description, and it will create another category for you. Okay, so this is how it works. You can create your category step by step. Now we just create the category Facebook and social media tips. Let me finish this. Add new category. It will create here. Okay, so social media tips here, it already here. Okay, so now how we will add these categories in the upper section of front page? For that we will go to appearance and menus. When we click on menus, so we will add our categories in main menu. This is called main menu or header menu. Okay, so for that, if you not have any menu here, click on create new menu. I recommend click create new menu or for the header if you not have here. Okay, just name it main menu. I just add one because I have already main menu name here. Okay, so you can keep only main menu. That's okay. Okay, and here display location must be choose the header. This is this menu we are creating for header. This is the header area. So this main menu will be for header main. Click on main header. Okay, create menu. This will create menu. Let me show you. So this already created. Now we will scroll down. This will auto select here. Okay, we will scroll down to categories we just make. Click on view all. So you will find all the category we just create in the categories. Social media tips already here, another one Facebook here already. We select those. Okay, we click add to menu. It will add here in the menus. So now when we save it here, and you will see our category already published in our main page. I show you here. Open your front page. You will see the category somewhere in the header. Okay, so this is how you can create the categories in the post and set your categories in the front page. Another idea I give you here, if you want to work on the front page, I recommend you click on edit. It will, this option, edit option, will be in your dashboard. You will see here, because if you have login in the same Chrome, same browser, you have login your WordPress, when you visit your website, you will see some admin panels in the upper section. Okay, so we will click on the upper row, the header row. So here you can select that menu we just create. Main menu 1 we created, right? We select main menu 1. You will see the Facebook and social media tips already display here. We just create, right? Just only need to click on edit. Just first let me explain again. From the WordPress, click on visit site, open in new tab. When you open in new tab, you will see in the upper some admin panel areas where you will have some option to edit main page and edit. This will be in green. This is tag div edit. This is related to your newspaper theme. So newspaper theme allow you to edit in the real time, right? So you have to click this edit in the green. So you will see look like something here. We just make some changes, okay, here like this. Just click on, we will scroll our mouse on the menu area and select the menu here. That's how it is simple, guys. So I hope you like this video. Next video we will I will bring other great option related to the newspaper theme, and I will find another great themes for you guys. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos. If you want to get advantage and get some themes or plugins, you can visit this website easyideas.com. You can visit easyideas.com. Let me show you. You can visit this website and you will find some great themes here. Just visit to my website easyideas.com. Once you visit to easyideas.com, you will see the option here, downloads, in the menu here, this area. In the header area you will see option downloads. Click on downloads. After downloads, you will see some great themes, plugins all the time. We every day upload here, like here. You can download and get advantage of those. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel, for watch my videos. I really appreciate for that. I promise I will bring more nice content for you all the time. Thank you so much.